Okay, sige po, while waiting for the others.
Shout out!
Is Ate Earth. Ako po ay isa sa facilitator ng Paradise Adventure Club who will be with you all throughout the day, whether you like it or
Nah.
okay, so here with me is Ate. Ayun, good morning!
Ang tubig. Aircon, sira.
Wiggle, hawe, wiggle is no fever. Single, double. Again. Hawe, wiggle. Busy. From start to finish of the activity, dapat magkakapatid-isip kayo. Okay? Clear po tayo doon? So, how to declare the winner? To declare the winner, paunahan mo pabalik yung piso dito sa harap. Okay? So, let's start na po. Wala pang practice, ha? Okay, naman. Kayo po ay 17 pairs. 17 pairs, kayo po ay 16 lamang. So, ibig sabihin, sige po. By the way, okay lang ba na mag-change tayo ng group name? Ano po ang gusto niyong maging group name? Pink and white.
White and pink!
White and pink.
To be responsible spenders and offer financial inclusion for a better quality of life. Over the years, Phyllis has won over millions of happy customers and now offers purchases through over 10,000 direct merchants and more than
Chicken! Watermelon!
Activity po, hindi tawag natin po na the main page.
Uy! Oh my God! Uy!
Wow!
Alam ko yan, walang laser eh. Bag, kaya
Dahan-dahan lang, Miss G. Dahan-dahan lang, hindi nagmamadali. Dahan-dahan.
O, Abi, isa. Dalawa. Sabit na naman. Tatlo. Sabit na naman. Ha?
Hindi kayo nung ano, sasabi ka.
Ilan na lang tayo?
Nag-vlog.
Sabi ko sir, sa gilid ko naman. Bawal talaga dito. Sinaway kasi ako eh. Kasi yun eh. Sir Jay! Sir Jay, ituloy mo parang HDMI.
Galing, galing. Galing daw. Grabe oh!